We have another examples on the board. Again, we're supposed to make the groups of 3 bits. So I have one group. This is my second group. This is my third group. This is my fourth group. And the fifth group has just 2 bits. I'm supposed to add extra one. Remember, you can always add 0 and only 0. Now, this is binary 1. Why? Because this is 1, 2, 4. Remember, we look always at the weights which are over 1s. That's why I'm going to copy down just 1. This is binary 3. Why? Right weights. 1, 2, 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. That's why I'm going to write 3 over here. This is binary 7. 1, 2, 4. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. This is binary 5. 1, 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And this is binary 1. And this is my octal number. So 15,731 base 8 is equivalent to this binary number. Let's take a look at the next example. Again, we're supposed to make the groups of 3 bits. But please notice that I always start grouping from the back, never from front. So keep in mind, anytime you start grouping the bits, you're supposed to start grouping from the right side. So I have one group. This is my second group. This is my third group. This is my fourth group. And I have just 1 bit. But I'm supposed to have 3. That's why you're supposed to add zeros over here. This is binary 0. This is binary 5. Because I have 1, 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. This is binary 7 because I have 1, 2, 4. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. And I have 3, 1, 2, 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. And I have 1. Of course, this is base 8. So 13,750 base 8 is equivalent to this binary number. And these are the solutions to my problems.